So students, now we are going to discuss about the properties of subtraction. Like in the previous class, we have discussed the property of addition. There are some terms which will describe the property of subtraction. Property of subtraction for the rational number. So the first property is closure property. So according to the closure property of addition, the two rational number will add to form another rational number. So like this, the property of subtraction is also like this. If A is a rational number and B is a rational number, then the result C is also a rational number. This will also be a rational number. This is the closure property of subtraction. Now we will take an example to see whether this property satisfies or not. So here I will take 2 by 3 minus I will take B as 5 by 7. Now I will do check whether the result, the answer I will get is a rational number or not. So 3 7 का LCM होगा 21, 21 7 3 14 minus 23 5 15 is equal to minus 1 by 21, and we know that minus 1 is the P, 21 is the Q. It is also in the form of P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0. It means this is also a rational number. Hence the closure property satisfies for subtraction. Now the second property, that is commutative property. As for the commutative property, we may subtract it by any means, the result will be same, but it never satisfies the commutative property for subtraction. So we will do check here. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. We all know this. Now we will check 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. This is the LHS, equal to 12 3 4 2 8 12 4 3 3 9 minus 1 by 12. Now I will alter the first term to second term and the second term to first term, like 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 12 12 4 3 3 9 minus 3 equal to 1 by 2 12. So here we got to know this is the minus 1 by 12. In the LHS the answer is minus 1 by 12, and in the RHS the answer is 1 by 12. तो ये दोनों सेम नहीं हो रहा है. It means the commutative property for subtraction doesn't satisfy the condition. तो ये जो लिखा है ये सही है. जैसे क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी में वो satisfy कर रहा था, a minus b equal to c when a is a rational number, b is a rational number, they say c is a rational number, but here it doesn't satisfy. It satisfies this line, but this is not the property line. The property line is like that: if a minus b is equal to b minus a, then only the commutative property will satisfy. But यहाँ पे हो नहीं रहा है. Now the third and last property for subtraction, that is the associative property. It says that we may pair it by any means, the answer must be same, but it also not satisfies, like this: a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. This line is correct. अगर ये इक्वल टू हो जाता, अगर ये इक्वल, अच्छा से समझो, अगर ये इक्वल टू हो जाता तो मैं कह सकता था कि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए भी सही है जैसे एडिशन के लिए हुआ था। बट ये मेरा जो रिजल्ट आएगा ऐसे आएगा, ये रिजल्ट लाइन में लिखा हूं ऊपर, तो ये जो लाइन है ये सही है, मतलब जैसे भी पेयर करूंगा अगर मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा उसका आंसर सेम नहीं होगा। अभी हम देख लेंगे 2/3 माइनस 5/7 माइनस 6/8, 6/3, okay, 8. This is the LHS is equal to 2/3 minus 8 7 56 56 7 8 5 40 minus 56 8 7 6 42 is equal to 2/3 minus 2/56. I also will change this like minus 1/28. So 2/3 minus of minus 1/28, that is 2/3 plus 1/28 equal to 28 and 3. 28 3s are 84. 84 3 28 2 56 plus 84 8 3 59/84 is the answer for the LHS for the left hand side. Now I will go for the right hand side. I will pair the first two terms 2/3 minus 5/7 minus 6/8 is equal to 7 3 21 3 7 2 14 minus 5 3 15 minus 6/8 is equal to minus 1/21 minus 6/8 equal to 21 and 8 का एलसीएम में लूंगा अभी 21 8 का एलसीएम होगा 168 this will be minus 8 minus 168 821 into 6 126 is equal to 134 minus 134 by 168. So from here we got to know the left hand side and the right hand side are not at all same. So this line is correct, but this is not the property line. This is the result line I have also mentioned from the beginning. If this answer and this answer will be same, then only I will say that associative property satisfies. But as the LHS and RHS are different, so we get to know that only the closure property satisfies, but commutative and associative property doesn't satisfy.